Alright guys, we got this boiler here, steam boiler. We just noticed that it's not tied in. Low water cutoff, shut it off. So we're gonna tie it in. Make sure to subscribe, like, share my video for information. Steam boiler. Alright, I'm gonna clean this, guys. Right. It's a good thing about ProPress. I like ProPress. We got the ProPress fittings here. With the ProPress fittings, great fittings. Alright, cleaning. Cleaning. Alright, we're gonna cut the pipe to the measurement. This is a very good product, guys. You know, on both sides. Very important you have a Sharpie, guys. All right, invest in it. We need the marks, right? Make sure it's made in, you know, before you press it. Okay. All right, guys. Very nice tool. Alright, the water is on, guys. The water's on. Put the low water cutoff for the steam. And we got water. Alright. Fry this baby up.